Okay, here we are on Mont Royal. I'm sure they're going to do more stuff. All the terraces are open. It's early in the day. It's basically 1 o'clock. A little too early to start drinking. Au Petit Paris. That is a great bakery. There's a lot of bakeries in the plateau. That place is one of my favorites. Croissant, the bread, not a large selection, but a great selection. Okay, so we're going to go as far, and then we're going to turn around. We're checking out. Totally different vibe than in the wintertime. Alright, let's go. Take Jeep out. Willie's. Seven, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Yellow light. We're good. They have a weekend kind of block party, always on the first weekend of June, and 9 times out of 10 it rains. It's just the way it is. So they're getting ready for that. Okay, I don't know what this park is called, but they redid it and it looks pretty good. Up and down Mont Royal. I don't have the microphone because there's an issue with using the DJI MIC with the GoPro. It works perfect, and when you play back the videos, it works perfect. It's when you drag them into iMovie, it reverberates. So then you have to edit. Take a minute or a second or two in the GoPro software of the movie, and then re-drag it into iMovie, and then it somehow recalibrates it. If anybody out there knows how to fix that without having to splice, I really enjoyed using a microphone. All right, so this is as far as we go. What's the street? Delormier. Okay, so we're going up that was Mont Royal at Delormier. Now we turned around. Do you understand what I'm saying? DJI MIC pairs easily and works great with the GoPro 13. Got it? You drag it on your desktop, playback, sounds great. Got it? Once you drag it into iMovie and then play it back, it reverberates. Very annoying. You'll notice in my first videos, it's incredibly annoying. And I had to search and until somebody said to get rid of that reverberation, you have to take a second off in the GoPro hardware and then hit export clip, and it regenerates the clip. Then when you stick it in iMovie, it doesn't reverberate. So it's a hassle. And there must be a way around that. So if anybody knows, please help. I'm having deja vu. This is happening. They even filled in the potholes. They do a half-assed job. As soon as it freezes and thaws, they're back to being giant holes. Look at them. Sad. They don't do it for the motorists, but I guess it's a liability issue. People walking, you can tell they just filled them in. You could take a spoon from the kitchen and dig out that asphalt. They purposely do. It's called job security. Okay. Patios, anyone? Whatever it costs to build a patio, you get your money back in one sunny day. You will see tonight that every seat, every patio beautiful day, breeze. Patios, they're just getting going. People hanging out. India Rosa. No umbrellas. Okay, see, amateurs go to patios at this time and sit in the direct sun. Patio amateurs. Because you're going to get a headache. You're not going to enjoy the booze. And you're an idiot. Okay. But everybody, safety at their bagel. Okay. There's a marijuana store. Nice going in for some weed. Good idea. Entrepot. Alright, one of my favorite parks. Let's do a tour. They got the new summer lights up. See those white ones? At night they're going to light up. They're better than the winter lights. So much nicer. Now, I can't, oh, they don't have the fountain on. Now this can be dangerous, like they're obviously not on. We'll be back. This used to be a gas station, and now it's a great park to hang out. And you just cross the street to Intermarché, buy your beer, cigarettes. Now we're going out Mont Royal. Look how beautiful it is. Get that deck. So you think, should we get a deck? You know, it costs $10,000. And then you watch your neighbors, and every seat on the deck is full, and your restaurant's empty, and you're like, we need a deck. And so the late, and then all the guys that can build decks, they're booked up. Your terrace, Saint-Sacrement. I got a deck. See kids drink in the afternoon. I used to, because I'm stupid, or was stupider than now. No point drinking now. 2 o'clock, sun, hot. Enjoy the day. Take it evening, you stupid people. They will. The adults. Of course, some of the adults actually have jobs they have to go to. Drag. Like me, I got time off. Safe and eat. Very popular. Okay, so that's it. We just did it. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, still recording? Okay. Well, that was it. That was a closed off section of Mont Royal. I thought they used to do this part. What? So much. So that's what I know. So that's the end of the, we'll do it at night. It's going to get better. I just had to check it out. without the microphone. And let's see if we can